December 16, 2011, 10 years ago, Typhoon Sendong devastated the northern parts of Mindanao. And deja vu, they might say, when yesterday, December 16, 2021, Typhoon Odette almost also hit the same areas with heavy rains and great flooding. The holiday is around the corner and many of us are in high spirit even if we haven't fully recovered yet from the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. But all has rapidly changed when International Typhoon Rai or Odette was bound for the Philippines, which caused major concerns for both national and international news. Not only Mindanao has been hit, but Odette had also made more than 5 landfalls in the Visayas Islands, namely Cebu, Bohol, Negros, and Leyte. A day after the typhoon, families are displaced from their homes and has to stay in evacuation areas. Few are already back also to salvage what they can. Many are waiting and asking how and where do they start again. ADRA, or Adventist Development and Relief Agency, aims to help these individuals rise again, but we cannot do this alone. We are calling in for donations as we raise funds that would not just alleviate, but to make them feel the holiday season, the season of giving and love. For donations, please go to ADRA Philippines official Facebook page or contact 0977-656-0979 or Ralph Balasico. You can also make deposits on the Bank of the Philippine Islands, Philippine National Bank, and Banco de Oro. Let us make this season indeed a reason to give and love.